G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's August 30th, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. Now, similar to gold, this has had a nice little rally from this support at this down here at 22.23 off this moving average, and it had a nice big bullish candle yesterday, and it's now approaching this resistance, this major resistance at 25.27. This is on the daily. Well, again, you can see there's been a crossover since our last video. The CCI is still moving upwards, and likewise the Stochastic is also broken up through the midpoint towards the overbought territory. So if you look at the hourly, again you can see there's a support there at 22.37. There's a minor resistance there at 24.77 before going to the major resistance. You can see there it's hitting off that resistance as we speak. Now, we did draw a bearish divergence here on our CCI versus the price before our last video. Now, since then, the price has moved higher than that. Again, similar to the gold divergence, we're going to extend that. So long as this CCI remains in a downfall, we're going to keep this as a valid divergence. So that CCI is still falling off, and that price obviously is still rising. Now, it may bounce off this and convincingly bounce off this minor resistance at 24.77, in which case, once it breaks below that trend line, let's just draw a trend line through there. There's probably a way to enter short there, and then we're looking at a target range between that low and that high. So if it continues to break below that, we're going to go for a target range somewhere between that 23% level to the 38% as a minimum. So it may fall further, but if it does continue higher, it may actually keep going and break through this resistance, as I said. But so long as this CCI keeps in a downtrend, then we're going to keep that divergence as a valid divergence, and that'll be our initial target area. So that's where we are at the moment for silver. Short-term bullish, but it may have a bit of a retrace before seeing further advancements possibly. So to understand how to trade using the trend trading strategy or even divergence, subscribe to the Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.